Hello friends, welcome to the Advanced Excel class 2013 and what we're going to first learn is the paste special function in Excel. This function is very useful for someone who uses Excel every day because it involves a lot of data which needs to be copy pasted from a certain cells to the other cells, and that is where the paste special function plays a very important role. It basically revolves around copying and pasting. What we are doing is we are copying a range from one place. For example, if we copy this range over here, we copy it by right clicking, copy, and then where we want to paste it, we can keep the cell, the cursor over there, right click, and then we have the option for paste. Okay, now when you click paste, what you're doing is basically you copying all the attributes of this selected data in some other cells in the same worksheet. So now if you see over here, we have pasted exactly the same data, which means that we have copied all the formats, formulas and values which was there in this data is also now available over here. Okay, but what if you want to copy only one attribute of from this table? For example, if you want to copy only the values, then what you would do? Again, we would right click, paste special, and if you see over here, there are various options for what you want to paste. This paste is copying and pasting the entire table as it is. That is when we pasted everything, the format, the formulas, the values, everything. Then there are other options wherein you can copy paste the formulas. Then there's formulas and number formatting. Then we just keep the source formatting. Then we have an option of pasting without borders. Similarly, column widths, transpose. We want only the values, so we click on values. So now if you see, the formatting is not there. Also, the formulas are missing. If you see over here, there were formulas used in order to sum up the 2007 and 8 data. There were formulas used over here, but here if you see, there are no formulas. They are only values or only numbers. Okay, now what if you want to paste the formulas? Again, we right click, we go to paste special. Now this is one region where you can select your options of pasting. You can also click on paste special and it will open a box over here which will ask what you want to do. So we'll keep the formulas this time. We could also select values. Okay, I just want to show you if we paste the formulas how it is done. So we click on formulas, and now if you see, we have pasted all the formulas. So now there are formulas which are shown over here, which is basically the addition of this column and this column. Okay, so this is how the paste special function can be used. There's one more feature in the paste special which I would like to discuss, though there are many. I would like to discuss one more function, which is the transpose function. Now if you look over here, the 2008 data is represented in a vertical format. What if I want this to be represented in a horizontal format? What we can do is we can simply copy. For copying, we also have a shortcut which is Control C. So now I'm going to do Control C, and for paste I can use Control V, and again we have the options over here. Now what do I want to do is transpose. If you look over here, we have the transpose function. So we just need to click transpose, and if you see over here now, this data which was in the vertical format is now represented in the horizontal format. So this is another important feature of paste special or attribute of paste special, which is used on and off, and you should know these functions very well. So this is how you can use the paste special function. You can play around with various other options as well, which I have already shown you. So just to quickly recap, you can select this data, you can do Control C, which is copy, and then Control V, which is paste, and then you have various options over here through which you can select the attributes you want the data to be pasted as. Okay, so that's it for paste special function. Let's move to other Excel 2013 functions.